Okay, out here on my Ford 335 Industrial. Just got done pressure washing it. Waiting on parts, of course. Let it drip dry for a few days. Got it all cleaned up over on this side. Make it a lot more pleasant to disassemble. Also helps keep getting crap inside the engine when you're working on it. Pressure washer, not a whole lot to it. Did find something. It explained a lot. Air filter housing goes over. This is your clean air intake. Comes down. Clean air intake manifold. That hose is gone. Don't know how long, but because of that, I was sucking in contaminated air on the intake. I don't know what they call it where you are. Down here we call it sanding up an engine. It depends how bad the damage is on the cylinders. Could run a hone across it. Get 10 thousandths oversized rings, might fix it. They're terribly scored. I'll simply button it back up and carry it to auction. It's just not worth pulling the block, getting it bored out. It simply is not worth it. So bad news there. Ain't real crazy about that huge hole. Now why didn't I see that? More than likely I'm going to find that a mouse got in there or chewed on that, and it's just something you don't check every single day when you go down to use the tractor, but you should, just for stuff like that. So I'll chalk that up to half mice, half me. But anyway, that's where that is right now. I'll let it dry for a couple days. I'll start tearing it apart, see what I got. Thank you.